Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another interesting snack and a starter recipe. You can serve it as a starter for a lunch or dinner, or you can enjoy it as a evening snack as well. That is nothing but the fruit chat. For this you would need few fruits like papaya, kiwi, pomegranate, orange, sweet lime, apple, green and black grapes. For that you need to first clean and cut all the fruits as shown and take it into a mixing bowl. For 4 to 8 cups of fruits, you would need 1 spoon of chaat masala powder, half spoon of salt and half spoon of red chili powder. To this add 2 to 3 spoons of lime juice and give a good stir and mix the fruits nicely, and your fruit chaat is ready to be served. Consume it in next 2 to 3 hours. Thank you for watching. I wish everyone healthy snacking in this 2022, and see you next time. Bye. Happy New Year.